Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and redeem eBay gift card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, access the particular eBay app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface is gonna appear, right? So let's say you do have a particular product that you want to check out, so let's go ahead, choose a one, and then you're going to tap on this add to cart option on top, right? Go ahead, add this product to your cart and tap on this add to basket and go to basket option below, and now you tap on this go to checkout afterwards. And then here you're going to find all of the details regarding your product that you want to check out with. Then here in the section you're going to find this confirm and pay, right? To select your payment method here in this payment section, and gift card coupons eBay bucks, right? Go ahead, tap on this one, and now you're going to enter your particular gift card or that you have gotten or you have purchased. You're simply going to enter that particular code. Once you have entered the correct code, you will find this done option will light up. Go ahead, tap on it, and then your code will be redeemed within the price of that particular product. So it also depends if the price gonna be deducted from the shipping fee or not, but mostly the gift card amounts only deduct from the actual price of the product. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.